Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Perspective by Priya. As I say, perspective matters. Today's story is about a farmer who was in a great debt. The suppliers and all those people who had their money stuck with him were chasing him. So he had to do something about it. What he did wasn't good, yet he borrowed a huge sum of money from a very notorious moneylender in order to get rid of all those people who were after him. The moneylender had given him money at that point of time, and temporarily the farmer was relieved. But then the moneylender also would need the money back. The farmer thought and promised that he would work hard day and night and would repay the debt of the moneylender. But even after his hard work, he was not able to do so. Once the money lender laid his eyes on farmer's daughter, who was very beautiful. The moneylender had a plan in his mind, so he called the farmer. He asked farmer that he had a deal to offer. The farmer asked, "What's the deal?" The moneylender said that he would let him go of all the debt, which means he would not need to pay anything to the moneylender back if he gets his daughter married to the moneylender. The farmer felt very bad because the reputation of the moneylender, as people would say, wasn't good. He did not have integrity at all. So the farmer told him that it was his daughter's call, to whom she would like to get married. Then moneylender said, "Fine, I can offer you something more to it. I can add a few things to it." And what he offered was that there would be a few cases wherein he would have two pebbles in a bag, a white one and a black one. In case the black pebble would come, then farmer's daughter would have to marry him, as well as the debt of the farmer would be clear. And in case the pebble is the white one, then the debt would be clear, but he would not force the daughter to marry him. He would just allow him to go off and he would forget about any money that the farmer needed to pay him. So it was sheer luck. White pebble means good luck. The daughter would not have to marry him and the farmer would not have to pay him something. And black pebble means again the debt would be clear, but farmer's daughter had to marry him. The farmer discussed this thing with his daughter. Daughter so dearly loved her father. She didn't want that his father should be troubled. She was ready to sacrifice anything for her father. But yet, somewhere deep down the heart, she wasn't ready to marry that moneylender. But she also wanted that the debt should not be there. So what is to be done? So she said, okay, she's ready to buy in this deal. And then they met near a tree. And sneakingly, what that moneylender did, he put two black pebbles in the bag. And farmer's daughter saw that. She was shocked that the moneylender was playing a game. But there were other people also. Now there were three options in front of the farmer's daughter. First one, to expose the moneylender in front of everyone. But then the rage of moneylender would be incomparable. You never know how he would retaliate. Second option, that she should take out the pebble, and then since it would be black, she already knows that now, since it would be black, she would marry that moneylender and farmer's debt would be cleared. And the third option was that she did not buy this deal. The farmer would work hard day in and out and repay the debt anyhow. So these were the three options. I'm reminding you, please remember, these are the three options that are there in front of that daughter. Now I'm going to tell you what she did. Now, as the bag was offered to her to take out that pebble, she took out the pebble, closed fist, the pebble is inside, and pretended to fall down. And as she fell down, she opened her fist. Then she stood up and said, "How messy of me. I'm sorry, I fell down. The pebble has got mixed with other pebbles now." And then she offered that, "Sir, can we check which pebble is left inside the bag? This way it would be easy for us to get which pebble was out." So this is what I call a smart play. So of course she knew that the other pebble was black. Now moneylender could not let his reputation be compromised in front of everyone. So yes, since the pebble that was inside the bag was black, it was assumed that the pebble that girl took out was white. So as per the deal, the farmer's debt was clear. He would not have to pay anything to the moneylender, and the daughter also would not have to marry the moneylender. Message. What's the message? The message is straight. Sometimes the options that we see in front of us are not the only choices we have. We have to think out of the box, or sometimes we have to think as if there is no box. So the point is that our choices and ideas could be creative, innovative. The options that are in front of us are limited, but our thinking is not limited. So give yourself a boost. You can do better. This is Priyanada signing off. That's it for today. See you next week, Saturday, 6 p.m. Thank you and God bless you all.